Kia ora, welcome. I thought we might try making a game together. If you'd like to join me, you're going to need one piece of paper, some coloured pens, maybe some crayons if you have them, some scissors, a ruler and a pencil. And when you get all those things, come back here and watch my hands do the drawing, the cutting and the folding. Okay, see you in a moment. Okay, cut that. And here's my hands. Okay. Here we go. Now, to make this game, you need a square piece of paper. Now, I searched our house and I could not find a square piece of paper. Instead, I've got an A4 rectangle paper. But I'll show you a trick. I'll show you how to turn this into a square. Now, to start with, you're going to need to get the corner that's nearest to you here. See that little corner? And you're going to take that corner and you're going to take it all the way across the paper to the other side. And I'm going to take that point and I'm going to put it down on that edge exactly. Now, see how this is all billowed up? It's not going to work for us. What I need is that to flatten out and this corner to get really pointy. So I slide this point along the edge. Slide it along the edge, along it goes, until this corner is nice and, oh, that looks good. See how that's a nice sharp point there? Once I've got it like that, straight along the edge, just perfectly matched up, then I can move my fingers back and I can press down, make that nice and tight. Wonderful. Now, we've made a triangle. So it goes along here, long edge 1, along this edge 2, down here, there's our triangle. But look at this, we've also got a rectangle. It's got a short edge, a long edge, a short edge, and a long edge. Now to make our perfect square, we're going to get rid of that rectangle. And to do that, we get our ruler. I'm going to press that, I'm going to line it up and move my ruler along until it's right at that edge of the triangle. And I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to take my pencil for a walk along the edge of the ruler from one side to the other side. Take my ruler away. Got my line there and my scissors, and I'm going to cut along that line carefully. Cut along there. To the other side. Off it comes. There goes my rectangle. I'll put that to the side because I'll need that in a moment when I start colouring in. So I lay this down in front of me and I've got one fold there already from our triangle. Oh, that's what happened. Our triangle opened up, made a square. Perfect. Now I'm going to put the fold so it makes a line pointing at me. And I'm going to pick up that point and I'm going to take it all, stretch it all the way across. And I'm going to take that point and that point is going to meet that point. And the two of them can become friends. Run my finger along that fold there. Flatten that out. Nice. Okay. There we open that up. Open that triangle up. And we've got a square that's got a cross on it. Okay. Now laying it down, so one of the points is going towards you. You pick up that corner there, you put it right into the centre where those lines cross over, right into the centre, press down and make your first little triangle. See that there? One little triangle. Wonderful. Then turn your page and make your next triangle by taking that corner, putting it into the centre line where they all cross over. See where they cross over there? Yes, very good. Lay that down, fold it, turn it, pick up the corner, into the centre line, fold it. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, but we need 4. Very good. Pick up that corner, into the center it goes, press down, fold it across, and collapse them all in. And you should have another square. Wonderful. Now turn that over. Very good. So all those triangles are tucked away underneath there. Now this time we're going to take the corner, move it into the center. 1, turn, corner, move into the center. 2, turn, corner, move into the center. 3, turn, corner, move into the center. 4. Again, fold all those triangles in, just like that. Pick it up, and can you turn it right over? Good. Okay, now what you see is we have 4 squares there. Wonderful. Now, holding it up, you're just going to now fold that in half, just like that. Wonderful. You squish it, squish it, squish it. Okay, now open it up flat, and we're going to fold it the other way this time. We're going to fold it this way. Just like that. Very good. Now then, what we're going to do is we're going to add some colour to that. So we take a corner, and we take our rectangle that we cut off, and we wedge that into the corner. Wedge it in there, so it's something like a flap, and that will help protect the rest of it when we add our colour. So I'm quickly going to add some colour in there. I want to colour in my corner. One corner. I've got 4 corners, and they can be coloured any way I want. Any way at all. I'm using my favourite colours today. I'm using some blue, and I'm using some yellow. And I'm decorating the outside of my fortune teller. Now I've been thinking very hard about what I'm going to put on the inside of my fortune teller, like what would be quite a fun thing to do. And I thought, well, it's quite fun putting jokes on the inside. And my friend who I live with, he was saying he remembers them when he went to school, and they used to write quite silly things about each other in them as well. And then someone else was saying that they used them for treasure hunts. They'd put inside things that they would have to find. Now see, when I pull that out, see that corner is all decorated there. Now I'm going to swap this out for one that I made earlier, so you can see what it looks like when all 4 corners decorated. Okay, there's all 4 done. Now what happens is we fold it in half again, like we did before, and I get my thumb and my pointing finger, and I reach inside, and I just go push up into the corners, and I pinch it. And then I do the same with this hand. Pointing finger and thumb, I reach in, and I squeeze, and this is what I get. So they're quite fun also to make puppet faces. Now I'm going to cut that. Cutting, fixing my camera. There we go. Now, here we have it. And you can make up rhymes and sing songs to go with it. Now what I'd like to do is have a quick game with you. Okay, Are you ready? Here we go. Pick a lucky number. Your options are rima, rua, ono, or tahi. Which one would you like? Oh, okay. How about we go with tahi? Tahi is 1. 1. Okay, so now you've got some more choices. Wha, whitu, waru, or toru. Toru. Nice. Let's do that. Toru is 3. Tahi, rua, toru. Okay, now we need to choose one to open up. And again, we've got tahi, ono, rima, or rua. I think we should go with tahi. So see there how it's all written in? You see that? Okay, so I'm going to pull up tahi and see what it says. Ooh, tahi says, do 1 skip, 1 jump, 1 clap, 1 roly-poly, 1 handstand, and repeat. Oh, that sounds like a fun thing to do. Let me show you. Each one of them opens up and tells you something fun to do. So if you've got a buddy, you can play this. You can get each other doing all sorts of interesting things. Or, like I said, jokes are good in there too. Or little riddles for people to solve. Do you like solving riddles? This is something that I think if you find a big person in your house, they will have all sorts of suggestions for what to put inside as well. There we go. A fortune teller. Or a picky lucky number. I need to go find someone to play with now. See how it all works out. Have fun making yours. Bye.